After 4 years of feeding these cats, this is what happens every time I drive up. They come from the backyard or wherever they were. They show up. And these two don't even really like me. That's what's kind of funny about it. Is they show up when I'm out. Like when they hear me go out the door, they'll come to see me. But they don't interact with me. They don't let me pet them or anything. But the other one does. There's a third one. And that one's kind of aloof all the time. Like, it doesn't always come around the corner when I drive up. But, yeah, very interesting. Now, watch when I get out. Like, they'll run away. Maybe. Yeah, see? Hello, kitty cat. Hello. Yeah, the gray one's really mean. See, she likes to stand over there. I took her to the vet, so she hates me. But this other one just kind of doesn't care. Keeps her distance. Just interesting.